Manual box stretch wrapping machine. Insert the vertical rod into the holder slot on the side of the machine. Then, attach the stretch film holder to the rod and ensure it moves smoothly up and down. You can adjust the height as per the box size using the spring tension mechanism. Place the box exactly in the center of the rotating base. Make sure the box is aligned between the four guide arms for stability during wrapping. Pull the edge of the stretch film from the roll and stick it on the corner of the box to anchor it. Continue wrapping by covering the entire surface of the box. Move the film upward layer by layer until the top, then come back down to double seal the wrap. Once wrapping is complete, cut the film from the roll using a blade or scissors. Then gently press the film's end onto the box to seal it firmly so it doesn't come loose during transport.